My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. And for any of you that are new, welcome. My name is Leticia, but I am known here on YouTube as Glama for the last 4 to 5 years. So anyway, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a giveaway. So if you want to see what is in these boxes right here, I'm sure you've seen this company before. It's all over Instagram. So if you want to see what is in these boxes, then you know what to do. Just sit tight and I will be right back. Okay, so first I just thought I would talk about what I'm wearing. I just got done going live. Today is Monday. You won't see this video probably till Wednesday though, but I just got done going live and doing a get ready with me using October's BOXYCHARM. So this is what I have. I have this palette on, I have this lipstick on, I have this mascara on along with some false eyelashes. I didn't use the mask or the cleanser. I'm going to probably use those two things in a future video, but let me show you the colors of eyeshadow that I have on my eyes right now. So this palette has stuff for your face and your eyes. So I think that is supposed to be a highlighter, that's supposed to be a bronzer, and these are blushes. And I thought that was a matte because it kind of looks matte, but now that I'm looking at it closer, I guess it is a shimmer. So this color is Twilight. I started to use that on my transition area and thought, ooh, that's not a matte, that's shimmer. So then I tried that, and this is Enchantment. And I'm like, wait, that's not a shimmer, that's not a matte either, that's shimmer too. So I have that in the transition area, but then I thought, ooh, the only matte in here is this brown. Sneak peek, and that might be too dark, but I went ahead and used brown anyway on top of those two colors in the transition area. And then I put Mask Off on the outer corner and right here in the crease line. And then I used this color, Disguise, on the lid on the inner corner. So yeah, that's what I have on. I love this palette. I'm going to try the blues and the greens together. I'm going to try the blues and the purples together. I'm just going to mix and match. I wouldn't have thought to put these colors, well, okay, I shouldn't say that because I did think to put them together because they're together on my eye. But normally one wouldn't think to put green and purple together probably, but I think it came out pretty nice. So yeah, I want to try the blues and grays next. Yeah, and I have this blush on right now. And that is Reveal, and then this one is called Hidden Secret. So yeah, this is a really pretty palette. This is the lipstick that I have on. It looks like that, by Kat Von D, and it's in the color Lolita. So if you like it, that's what it is. And then I'm using It mascara, and it's Superhero, and I love it. I love the brush on this. It is so cool. I love it because the bristles are little, and it like separated my eyelashes really well. So I don't know if that's focusing, but those are the brushes. I'm shaking because I'm still in pain. My shoulder still hurts, but I love this wand. I love the brush on here. It really did a nice job of separating the eyelashes and lengthening them. But I went ahead and put falsies on anyway. All right, so let's get into the Juno Company unboxing. What's in this box is the same thing that's in the big box. I just have more of them in the big box. But let me show you what I have. So I've been wanting to try this. I saw it on Instagram probably a week or two before I saw Nikki Tutorials make a video on it. And then after I saw Nikki Tutorials rave about it, I saw Tati raving about it. And I thought, I've been wanting to try it. And now that I see that they say they love it, I want to try it. So one night when I was having trouble sleeping because of the pain in my neck and shoulder, I was just up watching YouTube on my big huge TV. I love watching YouTube, all my favorite YouTubers on the big 70-inch. I think it's bigger than 70 inches. I don't remember what the exact inches are of our TV.
So smooth, and you don't see any streaks or brush strokes or anything like that.
So I thought, I gotta go try it. So I just went and ordered it. And I love the box. It says, hello, gorgeous. All right, so have you been seeing these little blue sponges right here? Let me open it for you. So I thought, well, it's just a beauty blender, but everyone is saying that it's better than a beauty blender because the foundation doesn't absorb into the sponge. Let me see. It has like little microfiber, little, what do you call it? Little microfiber hairs on it almost. Let me see if I can get a shot of it. So I don't know if you can see that. See how it's fuzzy? And it feels really cool. So I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to do this unboxing first. So I got a good deal. Normally, it's a good deal anyway on their company. These are usually just $6. But I ended up seeing a deal on there where you get 2 of them and the little holder to, when you're done using it, you just pop it on here. So let me open that up. Okay, so this is the little holder here. You just, when you're done using it, you just put it in there. Isn't that just adorable? I think it's adorable. So you get 2 of these right here and the little holder for 12 bucks. So that's what I ordered. I ordered that. And then I ordered this right here. It's another sponge. This one reminds me of the Morphe sponge that I have, only better, because look at, there's more angles. Look at that. There's this short angle. There's that angle. There's this for pouncing. There's just lots of different angles to it, and I love it. So here it is right here, all the different angles. Isn't that cool? And I love the color, the lavender. So cool. Yay! So the next thing that I got is this right here. I don't know if you guys have seen my my dry brush cleaner, but this is what I use for my brushes, and I need another one for my vanity in the bathroom, so that's what this is right here. But it also is a brush cleaner for like under the water in the sink, where you can really do a deep cleaning of your brushes. So let me show you that too. Okay, so I ordered one for myself, and I love it because it's a heart. So I ordered one for myself and one for Finesse. See? So you can use this side right here for under the sink. You just take this part out, go under the sink, and wash your brushes on here like this. I don't know if you've seen the video where I show you how I wash my brushes. I'll put it at the end of the video as well, but you can watch that as to how I clean my brushes. But I already have one of these, but it's a bigger, flatter one. But I love this. Just like if you're traveling, you can just take this in your suitcase and wash your brushes while you're away traveling and stuff. So you just use these dots, these areas right here to clean your brush with. So cool. Let me show you up close. Oh, and there's even bumps on the inside. Oh, cool. But let me see if I can show you up close. So here it is right here. See all the bumps? And it's in the shape of a heart, and it's my favorite color, pink. And then here's what the dry cleaning brush side looks like. And then when this gets dirty, you just take this out, rinse it out, and all the eyeshadow dust will be here. You just empty it out into the trash, and that's it. When this dries, you put it back. Isn't that so cool? Okay, so that is everything that I bought, but I bought extras because I wanted to do a giveaway. I thought they were just so cute, and because they're in my favorite color and pink, I wanted to do giveaways with these right here. What do you think? Are you excited? Let me know in the comments if you're excited to win one of these. And I also thought, because it's a heart shape, and you know how I always remind you guys, don't forget how much I love you, don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with, I thought this would be a good reminder because it's pink, my favorite color, and it's a heart, which means love. So I have giveaways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 of these to give away. Awesome! So 6 of you are going to win that dry brush cleaner. And it's not just a dry brush, like I said. This is for when you're right in the middle of putting your makeup on and you want to switch eyeshadow colors, you use this. But when you need deep cleaning, like this brush right here already needs deep cleaning because it's dirty. I just washed them all, but it already needs to be cleaned. When you're ready to wash all your brushes with soap and water, then you use this side under the sink. Yay, it's a 2-in-1. It's so awesome. It's brilliant. Juno & Company is awesome. So I wasn't going to do this unboxing until I was ready to use this on camera to let you know whether I like it, because I don't even know if I like it. Nikki Tutorials likes it. Tati likes it. and but I don't know if I like it yet. But anyway, I wanted to hurry up and do it anyway, even though I haven't tried it, so that you guys would know that I've got giveaways. And not only that, but 5 of you are going to win one of these, and then the 6th person is going to also win one of the holders and one of the blue Juno sponges. Yay! Just like this one, just like mine. So someone is gonna win this and one of these right here. And then 5 of you are going to win the brush cleaner. Yay! Are you excited? Okay, so I'm gonna put this stuff down and then I will talk to you some more. So we are gonna have 6 winners. 6 winners, yay! And then 1 winner is gonna get a little extra. So the rules will be down in the description box, but for sure, I know that part of the rules are going to be that you have to be subscribed to me on this channel. You have to be following me on Instagram, and I will leave my Instagram name right here and down in the description box. I think it's always down there, and it's always at the end of the video. And then the last rule is going to be you have to tag 3 people in the Instagram post wherever you see me holding up the Juno & Company boxes. Where you see that picture, underneath that picture, that's where you leave the comment where you tag 3 of your friends on Instagram. And then I'm gonna pick the winner from all those comments right there that say, I've done all 3 things. I've subscribed, I'm following you on Instagram, and I've tagged 3 people. So that's pretty much it. The rules are simple, right? So it'll probably start, this video will go up on Wednesday, so I'll go and post it on Instagram as well on Wednesday. And then I'll leave the rules both here on YouTube and over there on Instagram. And so the contest will start Wednesday when the video goes up. And then it will end probably the last day of this month. And so I'll pick a winner. I'll probably announce it the beginning of November. So it's actually called Juno & Company Microfiber Velvet Sponge. Ooh, I hadn't seen the name till just now. So fancy, and it feels so awesome. Microfiber Velvet Sponge. It does feel like velvet. Ooh. I think I am going to really like this because I really trust what Nikki and both Tati say. So if they really love it, I think I will love it too. And this is so adorable, isn't it? Just so adorable. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Let me know down below if you have already tried this sponge and what your thoughts are on it. But yeah, I'm really excited to try it. I haven't done actual full 100% get ready with me videos on here. Usually I already have my base on, the foundation and everything else, and usually I'm just doing the eyes for you lately. But when I do a full get ready with me, I'm gonna try this, which is probably gonna be next week. I'll try this next week and let you know what I really think of it. So yeah, I don't know if you guys watched my premiere videos, but I love how YouTube is doing that. Not every channel got the premiere button. They just chose the channels randomly. It's not depending on the size of your channel or anything like that, the subscribers amount or anything. They just chose randomly the people that were, the channels that were going to get the premiere button, and I'm so happy that I'm one of them because I really love the concept of using the premiere button, because what it is, normally I just upload the videos and then it's up, but this way I upload it, I hit the premiere button, I choose the day and the time that it's going to go live. I get to pre-warn you guys and let you know that I'm going to be live, and we can watch it for the very first time together, and while we're watching it we can be chatting and talking about the video. You can be asking me questions that you have about the video right there in real time. And so the way you do it is you just go on YouTube and just make sure that you're subscribed to me and that you hit the notification bell so that you know when I premiere a video. And instead of making the video in full screen, keep it in the medium size. And then if you do, on the right hand side, you'll see where we can chit chat with each other. So yeah, we get to chit chat and watch the video together for the first time, and you can ask me whatever questions you want. So I think that's awesome. I'm gonna keep doing this. So this video that you're watching right now is premiered. Hi to all of y'all who are here with me during the premiere. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Heart. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. All right, bye. Mwah. Besitos.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.